Hello, how's everyone doing today? Hope all is well. Today we have a little Dollar General haul, which I originally was not going to do because I only had about $5 in my bank account. But since Monday is a holiday, we got paid early. Our paydays fall on Tuesday, but if there's a holiday on Monday, we get paid Friday night until Saturday morning. So since we got paid, I just went and grabbed a couple things that we could put in our little stockpile to use. Uh, with any sales and whatnot, I try to do what I can with what I got and get what I can. Basically, just to stock up for those times when I don't have any money, especially like laundry detergent or scoring pads and whatnot. So let's get into this little haul that we have today, and I'll tell you how much. I have the receipt right here, so I'll tell you how much it was originally, and then I'll tell you how much the coupon was for. But the first thing I grabbed was this box of dryer sheets, and you see there's 36 in the box. And I do not have a washer or dryer at home. I never had a dryer since I've been living here, and both my main washer and my portable washer broke. So these are just for the laundromat, and I'll cut each strip into 4, and then I'll just use 1/4 of the dryer sheet per dryer instead of the full one. So that will help me stretch my money a little bit further, especially those times I don't have any. But that was $1.95, and I utilized the dollar off coupon for that. Next two things are the Tide Pods and the Gain Pods. Again, like I said, I hand wash what I can at home with powder laundry detergent. And then the things that I can't hand wash, I'll just take to the laundromat. And since I ran out of liquid laundry detergent and I do not feel like taking the 5-gallon tote thing of laundry detergent to the laundromat, I want to start stocking back up on the pods and liquid to make it a little bit easier for myself. And yes, I know everybody's going to say just go buy a washer and a dryer. But like I said, I don't have any money and I'm trying to buy a house. So I try to stretch what I can. So that's why I hand wash what I can and air dry it. But the Tide here was $5.50. And then I had a... Sorry, they got everything's in order on the receipt, but the coupons are all messed up. Let's see here. The Tide... I'm trying to see here. Okay, the Tide was $5.50, but I had a $2.05 coupon that was taken off. And then the Gain right there was $4.50. And then I had a $1.05 coupon for that. Not sure why they do like a $1.05, $2.05, but whatever. Coupon's a coupon. So that was $4.50 and a $1.05 was taken off. The next thing was over here. These scoring pads. There's 2 in a pack for $1, and then I'll cut each one in half to make that stretch a little bit. And every time I go, I try to grab one of these, so I always have them. Because there's always them times I have something that doesn't want to come clean. Next thing I got was this 6-pack of Scott toilet paper. And that was originally $3.50, and then I had a $1 off coupon for that. The next thing was this Airwick essential oils. They didn't have the one I normally get, so I just grabbed the fresh linen one, and that was originally $12, and then I had a $5 off coupon for that. The next thing was this Palmolive dish soap, and that was originally $3.95, and I had a $2 off coupon for that. The next thing was this jar of Hellmann's mayo. This normally I only buy when it's on sale and or with a coupon. But normally when they go on sale, there's usually a digital coupon floating around. But this was originally $5, and then I had a $2 off coupon for that. Then this the Diet Pepsi, the regular Pepsi, and the Cherry Pepsi. They were $8.25 each, but they were on sale, so they took the register automatically took $11.75 off, and then I had a $2 off one box coupon. So altogether, my total was about $62 and some change, I believe. But after all the and then also they took the there was $1.50 taken off for some reason because it just says discount. It doesn't tell me what it was. And then they took a the 5 off 25 coupon. So altogether, my total came this was $62 and some change. But after all the sales and coupons, my total came to $29.42. And that's everything I got. Like I said, this is for the laundry mat. Those will get cut into fours. That will get cut in half. And yeah, so that's everything we got. And now that, was it the $34.95 that I just saved, I can put towards something else. You guys have a nice day.